Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a magical journey from tiny eggs to healthy little chicks and golden eggs on your table. This isn't just a story about life. It's a journey filled with love, modern technology, and the dedication of hardworking farmers. Stick around because you'll be surprised by the fascinating secrets behind every delicious meal. Before these adorable chicks come into the world, they start as top contenders in a beauty pageant for eggs. Only the best eggs are chosen to enter the incubator, where they spend 21 days receiving special care at a steady 100 degrees Celsius, rotating regularly to ensure optimal embryo development. This is the first step in the magical journey of life. And after 21 days of waiting, the little angels finally arrive. But before they step into the big wide world, they need a quick